Brought to you by GTA. We start with you.
Charged in federal court for extortion and bribery. Zonia Mayor Jesse Blas is detained on federal hold at the Hagatna detention facility, awaiting trial in December. Blas was indicted for using mailboxes in Zonia to import meth for a government informant posing as a drug trafficker in exchange for cash. During his arraignment hearing on Tuesday, U.S. Assistant Attorney Laura Sambataro argued that Mayor Blas is a danger to the community because of his connections to police officers and Superior Court marshals.
Your Honor, the defendant is here because he abused a position of public trust. This is somebody with two types of ties. Ties to the political community and to the law enforcement community, but also to the drug trafficking community.
Blas is a former police officer and Superior Court marshal.
He still has ties to those communities. He also has ties within the Department of Corrections. He offered actually to take money from our informant, $15,000, in exchange for using his connections within the Department of Corrections to have an inmate released for a few days.
As well, during testimony of FBI Special Agent Rafael Fernandez, he mentioned the presence of Joey Terlahi at a barbecue where Blas allegedly beat a woman he was having a romantic relationship with at the time. Fernandez, however, could not say when the barbecue happened.
And who were the other people?
An individual by the name of Joey Terlahi, and several others at a I want to say a barbecue, and that she was very angry about that.
Where was the location of this barbecue?
I don't recall.
Okay, and who were the other people other than Joey Terlahi?
I'd have to listen to that interview. It happened some time ago.
After this was alleged DepCorp Deputy Director Joey Terlahi sent in his resignation on Wednesday. Joey's father and committee chair on the legislature's Committee on Public Safety, Senator Pito Terlahi, tells KUAM it's a pending investigation and would like to reserve comment on the mayor, but wished he and his family well and will keep them in his prayers. In regards to the allegations, Senator Terlahi said, quote, "Allegations are just allegations, and until they have been proven true, I stand with our island's law enforcement community. However, I am concerned about the possibility that corruption may exist in small pockets of our law enforcement agencies. I am working with my committee, especially my Vice Chair, Vice Speaker Nelson, to ensure going forward that there is no corruption in our prison, and we will also address the police department as well. My priority is the safety of our community and that justice prevails for our citizens. I respect my son Joey's decision to resign as the Deputy Director of DOC. Like any father, I love and support my son and will be here to support him and his family through this difficult time," end quote. During the arraignment hearing, Agent Fernandez hinted of another investigation.
Guam marshals that were engaging in sexual intercourse with females who had active warrants.
And how does that relate to Mr. Blas?
He participated in those sexual activities because of his connections with the Guam marshals.
On Thursday, the Judiciary of Guam said it had no knowledge of the FBI's allegations. Additionally, the Guam Police Department plans to reach out to the feds to conduct an investigation. Reporting for Guam's News Network, I'm Adriana Cotero.
Brought to you by GTA. We start with you.